For all planter owners who run a pneumatic down pressure system on their planter, we now offer a kit that makes the system more reliable and user-friendly. We call it the Posi-Air system. It allows you to set it and forget it. Depending on how the dealer you bought your planter from set up the pneumatic down pressure, you currently have lots of fittings on your planter ranging from this to this. All these fittings make the system prone to leaks, which decreases your down pressure as you are going through the field. The Posi-Air system uses your existing compressor and adds an air tank and puts a control center up in the cab for you to control your down pressure. The system offers a variety of features to enhance reliability and ease of use. The main system power button has an LED light to indicate the system is on and no fuses are blown. We also offer a green LED light on the control box to indicate when the compressor is running. This ensures that the compressor does not run constantly in case of a massive air leak. The last feature on the control box in the cab is a beeper that will indicate if the system goes below 50 psi to let you know the compressor is not running adequately or you have a massive air leak that it cannot keep up. The system is mounted in the cab with a ram mount system, so mounting is easily and can be moved to where the operator prefers. The kit also features an implement switch mounted on the planter. This ensures that as you raise the planter when you are turning on the headlands, we cut off air supply going to the airbags, so the airbags do not air up, and when you relower the planter, they are not up in pressure compared to when you raised it. Another added benefit of the system is it allows us to break up the planter into different sections to control down pressure separately on individual rows or groups of rows. In the example you see here, the customer has opted to go with 3 different sections. This is an interplant planter, 16 rows in corn, 31 rows in beans. This allows him to control his bean rows independently from his corn rows, where sometimes he's planting into trashier conditions on his bean rows because of his tillage applications. He also controls the 4 rows behind his tractor tires independently from the rest so that he can maintain a higher down pressure in those rows since they are planting into the tire track. The kit does come complete with all harnessing required to get power to the system, communications from the cab control center to the system on the planter. There is a disconnection point at the hitching point to make hooking and unhooking the planter easy. It comes with all mounting hardware and a mounting plate and compressor tank. You do use your compressor over from your existing system. The system features a Schrader valve or tire air chuck to allow you to air up the system initially to keep the compressor from having to work to fill all the airbags at one time. In order to fill with the Schrader valve though, you will want the planter in the lower position, so the limit switch or implement switch tells the system it is down and allows air to flow to the airbags. You will want to set the pressure when the planter is in the lowered position, as this is when you maintain the adequate down pressure required. The kit is currently made to bolt directly on to a white 8800 series or 9800 series, as well as the 8500 series white planter or the 9500 series. It will fit on other series of white planters, as well as John Deere, Case, and Kinsey planters. However, currently there is not a direct bolt-on kit, but it could be mounted with an additional few holes made.